Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, loved managing her small investments, but tax time made her nervous. David had grown his passive income through shares, but wasn't sure if he was handling his taxes the right way. Priya, who earned rental income from a small property, struggled to find good small business support. Tom, who had a hobby craft business on the side, wasn't sure if he qualified as a small business or not. They all felt the same: stay at home, yet juggling complex incomes with no clear tax help. Then Priya found Tax Refund on spot.com.au, experts in small business, investment income, and passive earners tax returns. Sarah was relieved: no jargon, no stress. Just simple, guided steps designed for her situation. David learned he could claim more deductions, things he had missed for years. Priya was amazed. Lodging rental income was easier than ever with the expert support behind her. Tom finally understood even small hobby earners could benefit from small business tax advice. Thanks to Tax Refund on spot.com.au, their returns were done right, maximizing deductions and minimizing stress. Now, they're helping others because the right tax agent changes everything when you're building small income streams. Stay at home, but still making moves? Get your taxes sorted today. Visit taxrefundinspot.com. Small efforts, big returns.